What's up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the channel. On Chevelle video number 2, we are going to get that thing plucked off the trailer and set on some sort of frame so I can roll the Chevelle around while I'm doing body work and stuff like that. So here is the start of the frame right here. Just took some simple measurements. They're just going to contact some body points, and it'll be kind of cool because I'm going to back the trailer into here, and we're going to use my boat motor lifting hoist to hoist the body up off the trailer and then on the frame. So we'll just have a little time-lapse run of the construction of this frame, and then we'll get the Chevelle down here and get this knocked out and get her into her temporary home for rust repair, which is going to be quite a job on this deal. So stay tuned. Thanks. We'll see you later. Okay, we got the front section welded up, got the casters on it. So basically the front body mounts underneath the firewall are going to go there and there. Now we will work on the rear section and figure out something just in the middle to join them together. Okay, I've got the front and rear pieces all fabbed up. Quick and easy fab job. So now it's time to go down to the house, grab the Chevelle, bring it down here, hang it from that rope, and set her on down. Be right back. Alright, she's heading down to the shop. Time to hoist her off this trailer onto the new frame. Stop! Okay. We have one suspended Chevelle. All right. It's the next morning here at the shop, and we've got the Chevelle sitting down on the bodywork frame. So we're just gonna go around the car and just do a quick review of what we got, and that will end off this video. All right, here it is. So we have got some rust going on. Quarters are gonna need to be replaced. Outer, inner wheelhouse will be replaced. The floor is not too bad at all. There is just some little surface rust right there, a couple small little holes over there. Nothing too bad. Overall, the floor looks pretty good. Come around here, got some rust right there, some rust right here. We got some cowl rust here. That might be a challenge to fix. On this side, we got a little bit of rust in the door. This quarter was already cut out because the guy that I bought it from looks like he started the rust repair. The car actually came with the patch panels for the quarters and the rear over there, but I think I'm going to ultimately end up getting a whole quarter instead of patch panels. It will cost a little bit more money, but save some time. So here's this side. Ultimately, I believe this car to be an original SS car. Obviously, with these Chevelles, if you don't already know, you cannot run the VIN number and tell what the car was. You actually need the build sheet, which obviously I don't think the build sheets with this car. They kind of hide them in different places, so no build sheet. I do have the cowl tag here, which tells me some information, but not too much. So, but based on the clues that I've seen throughout the car, all the original emblems that it came with, the SS hood that it came with, the 12 bolt. I don't think this is an original paint job, but it does have the SS stripe. So I don't know. You know, I'm gonna just go ahead and say that this was a true SS car. It came with everything except the motor. The previous owner said that it blew up back in 2005. The cool story about this car, though, is the guy has had it since he was 14, much like my 72, which I have had since I was 14. So that's cool. It's in a good home. I'm gonna take care of her if you're watching. And yeah, we're gonna have some fun. So that'll wrap up this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next episode, where we are gonna start tackling some rust.